Hello everyone, so I'm going to teach you on how to make an online exam. So first, let's open your Gmail account. So I have here cabanelesmatimame at gmail.com. Then my password. Sign in. So in making this online exam, we need a strong internet connection. So let's wait for a while for my Gmail to open. So it seems like the internet connection is not working with me. So I have here now my Gmail account open. So we're going to click this tile. Then choose Drive. So it's still loading. Let's wait for a few seconds. So as you have seen here, there's a create button. So we're going to click this one. So choose form. So we have your untitled form. So let's type in here my first wrong step. My first online exam. Then we're done with that. Let's add item. Let's wait for a while. So we have here for the first question. So let's type here our first question. Who is blah blah blah? Then let's choose multiple choice for the option 1, then option 2, option 3, and option 4. So we're done with this. So let's add another item for question number 2. Then multiple choice for the choices. So we're gonna click done. So assuming that we're done making with the online exam, so click send form. Then click done. After that, if you want to see how will your online exam will look like, just click view live form. So this is the view live form. Then we can edit this one. Like changing the theme. So for example, for elementary students, to catch the attention, there should be color. So let's try this one. So this is how your online exam will look like. Very simple. Thank you for listening, and that's all.